Jai Mata Di friends. Today we are going to see about Mata Annapurneshwari from Kashi. The Annapurneshwari Mata deity that was looted from Kashi 108 years back by a guy by name Mackenzie, who looted it from the temple and took it to Canada and to form his own art gallery called Mackenzie Art Gallery, using the stolen deities and the artworks. And then the best part is later he donated that to the university, Regina University. Okay, 108 years back, Mata Annapurneshwari left us all and got carried away by this thief to Canada. Mata Annapurna, the goddess of food, and also the deity of city of Varanasi, the deity that is found in Canada, is 17 centimeters high and 9 centimeters broad and 4 centimeters thick. It was discovered by artist Divya Mehra in the University of Regina's collection at Mackenzie Art Gallery. Okay, this is the guy who stole it, and he made his own art gallery. And lucky for us, Divya Mehra found that. She was invited to stage an exhibition at the gallery. When she started researching the collection on the university and spotted the deity, which was thought to be Lord Vishnu, she noticed that the sculpture appears to be female, and she was holding a bowl of rice and the spoon on the other hand. When she researched more, she found out this deity was stolen from India in 1913 by Mackenzie. Later confirmed that the sculpture is indeed goddess Annapurna, and she has the bowl of kheer on one hand and spoon on the other hand, items associated with the goddess of food. After confirming the identity of Devi Annapurna, artist Divya Mehra contacted the CEO of the gallery and requested them to give back the deity to where she belongs, that is the Kashi Nagar of Bharat. And then she also spoke with the Department of Canadian Heritage and also initiated conversation with the Canadian Embassy and so on and so forth. In the meantime, Prime Minister Modi used his good office relationship with Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau in starting the conversation to bring back Annapurna Mata to Kashi. As Prime Minister Modi said, Mata Annapurna has a special bond with Kashi, and the return of the deity is very pleasant for all of us. Like the deity of Mata Annapurna, much of the heritage of our country has been victim of the international gangs. Big thank you to Prime Minister Modi and also to Justin Trudeau and the Canadian Heritage Department for correcting the wrong, for righting the wrong, and agreeing to give back the stolen Annapurna Mata back to Bharat. And thank God. Now Annapurna Mata, when she landed after 108 years back to Bharat from Canada, from Regina University, guess what? It was a big festival. When Mata Annapurna came, the ministers of the Modi government came to receive her with honor and with the attitude of receiving blessings, and then handed it over to Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath ji's government, and their ministers took from there, and there was a big Shobha Yatra for 4 days covering 18 districts, where Mata Annapurna stayed in some of the major temples, including Ramji's Mandir in Ayodhya, and blessed the people on the way, reaching back to Kashi. Now, the best thing is Mata Annapurneshwari, who left us, who left Kashi, who was stolen by the thief, will be present in the new Kashi Vishwanathji corridor, in the new temple premises where she duly belonged. And why Mata Annapurneshwari coming to Bharat is so important at this time? You have to understand how Mata Annapurna came even to Kashi. There was a time when Kashi Nagar, the city of Kashi, was struggling even for a small handful of food. It was a great famine. No rain, no water, no crops, nothing. People were dying in hunger. And that is the time the rishis and the sadhus of Kashi prayed to Lord Brahma and Bhagavan Vishnu to save them from this famine. And as guided by Brahma and Vishnu, they went in surrender of Bhagavan Vishwanathji, the deity of Kashi, and they requested him to bless them and save them and protect them from hunger and from this famine. And Bhagavan Vishwanath came around Kashi, looking around, and his heart started bleeding, seeing the people suffering and dying with hunger. So he knows only Parvati Mata in the form of Annapurna can save Kashi, and nobody else, nobody can. So Bhagavan Shiv requested Mata Annapurna to come to Kashi and bless the people, provide them the food they need, so that the people are not dying in hunger no more. And to initiate this process, Bhagavan Shiv himself came and took Bhiksha. That is, with a begging bowl, he got the food grains from Mata Annapurneshwari. In fact, Mata Annapurneshwari gave food to Lord Shiva. This is the exact place where the Annapurneshwari Mata temple is today. In fact, the day Annapurni Mata offered food to Lord Shiva is celebrated in a big way every year. And from that day on, Mata Annapurneshwari stayed right in Kashi, and she assured Bhagavan Shiv not to worry about the people here, because she will make sure nobody goes to sleep with hunger. Nobody goes to sleep with the empty stomach. And she did provide the food for everybody. And the queen, the Rani, Maharani of Kashi, was stolen by Mackenzie and then took to Canada 108 years back. A big thank you again to artist Divya Mehra and each one of the officials involved, and interested persons who were involved in this process of bringing back our Annapurni Mata back to Kashi. And a big thanks again to Modi government, who knows that Kashi is nothing without Annapurneshwari Mata, and she has to come here, and did whatever they have to bring back Annapurneshwari Mata. And big thanks to Canadian government for making sure the wrong they have done in the past was corrected by giving back the stolen deity back to Bharat. And this means a lot. And now Mata Annapurneshwari will be in Kashi Vishwanathji corridor, where she duly belonged, and she was now installed there. Prana Pradishta was done by the UPCM and Mahant of Gorakhnath Mandir, Sri Yogi Adityanath himself over there. And you can be rest assured, this is a great indication that the Bharat and the Bharat, in our Sanatana Dharma, we believe the whole world is our family. Vasudeva Kudumbakam. So Bharat and the entire world will be blessed by Mata Annapurneshwari. She is happy to be back to Kashi, where she is next to Baba Bholenath, Kashi Vishwanath ji. And this is the blessing time. Great blessings are going to come to you, your family. You are watching this video, learning about Annapurneshwari Mata and her blessings, and you can be rest assured your home and your heart will be blessed abundantly. And do share this video and the blessing with as many people as you can. And do know that at Bharat Marg we do send one dharmic message every day. So all you have to do is send a WhatsApp to us to +1 647 964 4790 to get one dharmic message in the language of your choice in your mobile phone. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, because that means a lot to us. Your support is what keeps us going. Thank you for being with us all the time. Hare Krishna. Friends, we at bharatmarg.com are involved in Sanatana Dharma Prachar and also exposing all anti-Hindu activities and fighting for our Desha Dharma. Join hands with us by liking www.facebook.com/bharatmarg page, also at Twitter at bharatmarg, and YouTube just by subscribing. Also clicking on that notification button to get an instant update as we post important updates and videos. You can also become the part of our WhatsApp club to get one dharmic message a day which goes around the world by sending us a message at +1 647 964 4790.